We are on the way to get 26s for the work truck. How it sits right now is a 3-inch leveling kit from Rough Country. Let's go. We're getting straps, tie them down. 2,000 pounds. Boss lady, let's cash them out. These are the wheels, 26s. They're all strapped down. They're heavy, they ain't going nowhere, but you never know. Not going anywhere. Ain't going nowhere. So, shout out to the dude that sold them. He gave me an extra tire. You're gonna pay for those, little buddy. Are you gonna pay for them?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to get to work.
I'm gonna pay like 1,500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What's wrong with this floating cap? Any suggestion, guys? Yeah, need a new one or what?
Let's go see the new one.
Hey, you gotta help me put them on too.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. I got this.
Let's go. Because we have a 3-hour drive.
With the GMC?
Yeah, we need to get diesel as well.
Yeah.
We have no more fuel.
Chevrolet.
We got the old setup here. 37s. Got the OBS squatting with them. They're heavy.
Grandpa got an interest in
Yeah, that's Grandpa's truck too.
yeah.
Excuse me, guys.
I like your room.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna store him in here. Meanwhile, go get the rental back. Bring some jacks. Park the truck here, and she's gonna change them. That's how massive 26s are. Huge. That's a before, if they fit. If they fit the wheels, I don't know if I'm gonna have issues with them rubbing on the leaf spring. I do have a spacer, but we'll see how it goes. We're gonna wipe them down real quick before I throw them in there, because why not? This is gonna be the inner for now. Yeah. Oh, I'm out of breath. I got both sides lifted up. I had to buy 2 jacks because I didn't think one would do it. So I went with 2. One was a bit sketchy, so better be safe than sorry. Since I know it's hard to find somebody to install 26s in this small town I'm at working. But yeah, let's get to work. I'm about to take them off. Here it is. Stock. And then big boy tires. Stock. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah, wash it. We got the backside on. Let's see if anything rubs. So the middle, it's pretty close, not bad at all. Leaf springs are almost touching, but not bad. Not bad. I got about maybe like 1,500 pounds in the back all the time, so I only tow my RV, so it should be all right. Much better. It does ride like a Cadillac with those wheels. Real smooth. But we'll see how it rides with those. I know with the stocks on 37s, they rode like crap. We're gonna do a little spacer in the front so they can stick out a little bit. Stay tuned. That's all she rode. She don't rub. She fits right on. No rubbing, no nothing. 3-inch level.